Yeah, this is 2015 Hyundai Elantra. I have a fuel system lean or rich bank one. Yeah, this one we change the O2 sensor, purge valve, and this you know this one don't has mass airflow. And look at what I find. Look at here. I do smoke test. Look. Hey. Yeah. PCV valve. PCV valve. Yeah. See? Yeah, it lets pressure go inside the engine. Sometimes cut the car off and the car run rough, okay? Stall. Yeah. PCV. I made this video to help somebody. Okay, thank you for next one. Your PCV will fix your problem.